Hey everyone, in today's video we will see Beats Solo 3 not turning off. How to fix. Fix 1. Reset the headphones. Hold down the volume down button and power button for 10 seconds. When the fuel gauge flashes, release the buttons to reset the headphones. 2. Charge and hold the power button. If the battery lights and the power button are flashing, put the headphones on charge and hold the power button for 20 seconds. After that, disconnect the charger and turn them on and connect them to your device. This should solve the issue. 3. Clean the power button. Dirt and debris can block the power button, preventing it from functioning correctly. Carefully clean around the button with a toothpick or fine pin to remove any obstruction. 4. Check power button. If the issue is caused by a damaged power button, you should fix the power button. A loose power button could be the cause why the headphones are not turning off. 5. Contact Beat support. If the headphones still do not turn off, consider reaching out to the Beat support for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and suggest the best course of action, which may include repairing or replacing the headphones. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.